Shalom, give no praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahushai, Ba'Shem Rakah Kadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders, great millstone. Honors and salutation to the hopeful elect that are out there doing the work in truth and sincerity. I hope you can hear me. I got the AC on blast, man. It's like damn near 100 degrees outside. Through the spirit and power, Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahushai, man. Just another road show, on my way to camp. Excuse me, Slakia. Hey, brothers, we getting close. We getting close to the end. And I didn't have a set topic, man. But like I always do, man, just turn the camera on and just let the spirit take hold of you, man. I was going through Genesis. What is it? The 40th chapter, I believe, when with the famine in Egypt. And how the Most High has set up Joseph, and there's I believe it's in the 43rd verse or the 45th verse in chapter, the 43rd or the 45th chapter, I believe at the fourth, I think it's the 43rd verse. When you read down a little bit, it tells you that what is it? Oh, the Egyptian, when Joseph had set up the table and the food for his brethren, Judah, Benjamin, Levi, and so on, that the Egyptians also set up their table and their food, but they set it up away from Israel, and because when you read it, it tells you that it was an abomination for the Egyptians, to eat with the Hebrews, which, Exodus, the 11th chapter tells you, let not a dog hold his tongue. Basically show that the Lord do set a difference between the Egyptians and the Israelites, but when we were in Egypt, them fucking Egyptians hated us, man. And it was the same thing here. The same thing that was going on, in the time of like segregation, like Esau would have whites only bathrooms, whites only water fountain, because they harbored, it was an abomination to them to do the same thing, to eat or drink amongst us. You walk into a all white restaurant trying to get like some food, they'll look at you like, what are you doing here, boy? We don't like your kind around here, boy. So it's the same exact thing that's going on here in modern day Egypt, which is modern day spiritual Egypt, which is America. It was the same thing that the Egyptians were doing with us, man. We served the Egyptians with rigor, and so we served these Egyptians, who are the Edomites, with rigor, man. And rigor means, hardship. So when you niggas claiming to be African this, African that, just open up the scriptures. The crazy thing is, you would tell a nigga that he's from Israel, and because niggas don't know maps. A nigga will look at you like you got 12 heads. They'll say, I'm from Africa. I don't know, because they don't know where the hell Israel is on the map. To a nigga, Israel is some far away fucking planet or something, man. But little do a nigga know that Israel is just north of Africa. You could literally walk from Africa to Israel. So when it says in Deuteronomy, you shall the Lord will put you into Egypt again with ships. The Lord wasn't talking about Egypt, because then all you would have to do is just walk south. So you didn't need a ship for that. You need a ship to come to what? The other Egypt. And how is America Egypt, man? Well, you have something in Central Park called what? Cleopatra's Needle, which is an Egyptian obelisk. You have on your dollar bill what? Pyramids. You know? Which the pyramids started off where? In Egypt. You have the Washington Monument, which is what? Nothing but a giant obelisk, which is nothing but a goddamn fucking penis. You know? That's what the Egyptians worship, man. So America is following in the ways of Egypt, man. So that's why the scriptures call it, you know, spiritual Egypt. Sodom and Gomorrah, Nineveh, Basra, Babylon. Because America is following in the same ways of those other countries and worshiping those same deities, man.